Alteo pa na.
Say hi, kuya. Hi. Kainan sa... Ano kainan to? Kainan sa loob ng Walter Mike Price. I don't know the name of this. Hapchan. This is Hapchan pala. Hapchan. Kalahati daw yung chan. That's why it's Hapchan. Yes, oh. She's eating vegetables, guys. It's a good combination. And it's yummy. Thank you, guys. Thank you, darling, for helping us. Thank you, Granny. Ang sarap dito, guys. Sulit ang pagkain. Sarap. Thank you. Sa mga aming pamilya.
Nabot-nabot pa rin.